Hey guys, it's Becca Niederkron with AgingInsider.com, and I received my Snap phone today. Awesome. So this isn't for me, but it was a demo unit that the company was so kind to send over to me, and I unwrapped it really fast and then thought, oh my gosh, I love this packaging. Let me put it back in the box and show you exactly what they did. So packaging, any of you that have kids, Christmas morning could be a nightmare with all that packaging, and same sort of issues also are a concern for seniors. So I'm going to pop open the box. Okay, and I'm doing double duty here holding the camera. And first off, there we go. We've got the phone. What I love about this bag, do that, is that there is a certain texture, a certain grip to this bag. I don't know what it's made out of, but these details make all the difference. So props to Snap Phone on making a great carrier case for this bag. And not carry case, but just the inside packaging. Here is, again, I'm doing this one-handed. Here is the phone itself. This phone is not for everyone. This phone is not for me. However, this is for every person who is a digital immigrant to phones out there, but needs to have a phone. Look at the buttons. Oh my goodness. And then the back, I popped open the back, put in the battery, and notice this little SOS button on the back. I don't even have the phone turned on yet, so I'm just showing you the packaging. Put that aside. This little piece pops out, nice and easy right here. Da-da-da. And then we have the plug. The plug was put in just a normal plastic bag, so not the same side of kind of grip, but that's all right. We'll put this to the side. We're going to charge it up later. Next, we've got the quick start guide right away. Do you guys see the font? Do you see the font on that guide? This is not a given. Most company, and there's a shot of, I'm actually in my kitchen opening this up. Huge letters. Look at the C on quick. Look at the C on technical down below. That is a specific type of font. I'm so excited, I can hardly get my words out. That is a specific kind of font. The more open C makes it a lot more easy to read for someone with aging eyes, which is very helpful to be able to see this right away. And I'm going to open it up. Again, I'm one-handed here, so there it is. And then you can open up and go step by step. So in a nutshell, I'm going to drop it because I can do a lot of things, but one-handed is not one of them. So anyway, so this is the packaging. Awesome job, Snap Phone. Very simple, very easy to read, and very easy to get into the packaging and get that phone out. Awesome.